Okay, so this morning I got to see what people were saying yesterday because let our broadcast, we run our live program to let our broadcast. So I don't even know what to call it. Should I call it let our broadcast or just our normal broadcast? Anyway, which way? I was on a live broadcast and somebody called my attention that Nkere, okay, is now the poor minister. So, poor minister of Ndefo back, new elected poor minister, although ever elected poor minister, because there has never been anyone bearing that title, poor minister of Fallback Republic. People, this is, it's so irritating. No matter how you feel that I am sounding now, is the anger that every sensible human being feels when this issue of betrayers. And I don't think I will be putting Biafran flag on them anymore. So the flag that I have here, I will be putting it, in anything that is related to them. It is not very clear. That's what they call in literature tragicomedy. It is tragicomedy because this one it started with sadness and it's gonna end with joy. You see, when people act as if they're monopoly of violence and the criminality, it is out of delusion because you need to understand that anybody can do what they're doing. You started by pretending, oh my boss said, my boss. Today, you have fulfilled the agenda that people call that since day one. I know many of us have forgotten that there was a time we go to first and said that Vision 555 revealed to him that Nkere confide on him his agenda to become a leader, a prime minister. He way far before PM was taken away. That Nkere has been eyeing to dethrone PM and become, this poor minister that he is now. Imagine Nkere forcing himself to lead who actually. Anyway, we shall see how the whole thing will be because nobody want to get his or her involved, his or herself involved in this kind of craziness. When people talk about the agenda, that Nkere is, trying to have this thing, nothing this thing in mind. They say no, he is not. He is not. Even in Nkere, who few weeks ago was reminding them that nobody is going to replace PM Samuel Ekpa in their camp, or whatever that's going there, I don't really care. Why I'm angry is the insult. How other people will see it. Not that you're important. No, not that you're actually important. No, you're not important. It's just the way people outside will see this nonsense. How they will see this menace. That's my problem with that. If not, I don't really care whatever you choose to do with your life in the fallback group of company or fallback whatever you may call it. It doesn't really matter. The picture of people that I put here, you can see here, it's not that big. If you come across it, we are going to remind you of what I'm about to say. I want us to also keep note that everything going forward from henceforth, everything going forward, like if there's any achievement from external body or internal body that's somehow related to favor Christianity or non-Muslim, okay, Sanabra will jump in to claim that. They have done it in the past, they are not good, they will continue to do it. Now, let's quickly go to the news of the hour. So, Nkere and his group decided to reveal this long-awaiting expectation. Everybody know already that Nkere is no longer with the PM. Okay, so this is a better way to start it from his own handle. Nkere emerges as bringing new prime minister, following cabinet official election. both cabinet and you, all fraud. He said this is his own handle. Breaking news: under these circumstances, a transition in oh God. Under these circumstances, a transition in leadership has become imperative. No, both necessary and unavoidable. More, according to Biafran Republic government in Israel cabinet meeting transmitted live on air on the 14th of January 2026, conducted a democratic election to select a new prime minister, having gone through series of electoral process. Honorable Nkere emerged as the winner of the election, and the Brigade cabinet voted Nkere into office with 50 yes, with a 50 yes vote and no votes and zero no votes. Okay, mean that this poor minister is actually 50 people. Is the other time was the other time when he asked them to vote for maintaining a lawsuit. Remember, I think that was 15 or 20 people. I've forgotten. Very very laughable. Very very laughable. And I will tell you how this guy is just trying to turning himself to Paul Biya of Cameroon. He imagine a cabinet that nobody will vote yet. No, yes. How many are there actually? The controversial part of it is that he's not even shameful. He's not. This guy is very very shameless. He don't even count on his own. Anyway, I wanted to say dignity, but he don't have none, so nothing is there to protect anyway. So this is it. This is Isaiah Yogo, aka the man that doesn't even know have official name, is here calling himself prime minister. So this is another mushroom here. It said Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Okay, Nkere. Okay, this is not a not no, this is USB. So I'm not gonna go here. This is USB. This is USB. I was looking for where's that platform? Eunice BB. Look at her. Look at her. Congratulations, congratulations are in order. Congratulations are in order. Heartily, we congratulate you, our newly and duly elected Prime Minister, Honorable Oge Nkere. The Lord, he said, the load is surely a heavy one, but he who has called you to serve will make it light for you. You have sacrificed so much, and you are not yet, and you are not yet another journey to sacrifice more. You have sacrificed so much, and you are on yet another journey to sacrifice more. Thank you for your continued service. With Nkere picture, and Nakwana picture. I don't know who designed this for you. It looks somehow. It looks like Nakwana picture. Very, very fun, very, very bad picture. I don't know who designed this for this cook. I don't know who designed this for him. Now let's go to because I want to. In fact, let me go up and see if there's another person. Apart from this, is there another one? Okay, Alliance. Okay, I'm coming to Alliance. Okay, I'm coming to Alliance, and this is our foreign affairs minister. So the reaction from him from her from the office of US government. We're gonna go through that, but not now. Let's quickly digest it from the angle of fallback, those that are in deep hole. Breaking news, breaking news according to Success, this guy, Success. Should I talk about him? No. Why? Because we have talked about him before, all right? And I don't want it to be too long. We all know who Success is, or what he has done in the so-called fallback republic going on now. The Biafran Republic government in exile Brigade elects Honorable Ogechukwu Nkere as the new, look at it. He don't even say our. This is how these criminals, they know themselves. So they, all of them, they know. That's why Sonapra used to say, Biafran, see your prime minister. Look at what this one said here. That Briggy elects Honorable Ogechukwu Nkere as their new substantive pool minister. Pool spelled P-O-O. You know what that means? P-O-O. Ogechukwu Nkere, who has served as acting pool minister of the Biafran Republic government in exile for the past 12 months, has now been confirmed as the new pool minister elect. And they're busy looking for platform, mainstream media from, because anytime they don't want natural Biafran, if they do anything, they will be struggling looking for smuggling their information to Nigerian news platform. Isn't it? You guys, God forbid. Now listen. Nkere coup plotter against his boss has failed. The greatest threat to Biafran is not Nigeria. It is betrayal fueled by power hunger. How can the world take Biafran seriously when Briggy is ridiculed with officials undermining their own leader? Ridicule with officials undermining their own leader. He's okay. All clawing for the same seat. Here, Biafran de facto government, can't get de facto. Didn't get de facto. Is here saying something. God. Congratulations, Honorable Ogechukwu Nkere has been democratically elected. Has been democratically elected new pool minister today, January 14, 2026, in Anoka. In Anoka. Now, let's go through this one. 5 hours ago, this Muje freedom fighter from in Canada says something. She said, let me expand it very well. Whoever Fulani agent that is behind this fake account, Thunder will strike you. Which account? There's no cook. Who is Fulani agent here? Who is Fulani agent? This woman, who is Fulani here? Look at you guys. God. You guys are very, very funny. Like I said, I just want to, oh my goodness. The level of sabotage is shocking. The level of this sabotage, it is shocking, my people. It's unheard of. I'm being real. It's unheard of. Just imagine. Just imagine. Now, and she's here trying to question other people. Right, Chineke God. Now listen. Whoever Fulani agent that is behind this account, Thunder will strike you. Just one day and that very soon, you will look for fingers to type rubbish, and you will not see, and you will not be able to. What do you know about Briggy and its attack by law and you will cry blood. Mazo Ogechukwu Nkere is now the new pool minister. Okay, maybe they are fighting among themselves. Let me know. Is this Briggy? Wait. Is this also Briggy? Who is in charge of this one? Okay, they are not fighting among themselves, I believe, or is it from Imambadabu camp? I don't know. De facto. Now, let's go. It says, stop constituting God. Stop constituting gossiping and nuisance in Biafran struggle. No potent and civilized government is served by a leader in incarceration. The bringing election of new Prime Minister Ogechukwu Nkere does not period Simon Ekpa Masnamukano from leadership upon return as free man. This defector is actually, in support of. I don't know who this woman was addressing to who. I don't understand. Let me go back. I want to know who the message was, because I think this woman was referring to who. Here she said, whoever Fulani agent that is behind this fake account, which account is called fake. So, and she attached this. Okay. So what is fake account here? Stop constituting gossiping and nuisance in the Biafran struggle. Who are they actually referring to? I can't see that. Am I missing something? Anyway, let me move forward, because people that are evil are evil. You can't convert them. Maybe they are talking to themselves. I don't quite get who the person was referring to here. I don't quite get it. Now, the one called success, like I told you, made his own congratulation. Okay, and let's go to the one I promised to share with you. Now, what does this mean? This means that Nkere has officially distanced himself from PM, which I personally see it as a good thing, because his level of sabotage and criminality is shocking, and no sensible human being will actually take him serious. Alliance of Biafran America said these morons are so desperate for attention, which unfortunately they are not going to get from the PM. Okay, and he attached it with success nonsensical garbage here. Okay, and this goes to show that Biafrans are picking the point to understand what they're doing. Now, Minister of Foreign Affairs made this post here. Nkere coup plotter against his boss has failed. The greatest threat to Biafran is not Nigeria, it is betrayal fueled by power hunger. How can the world take Biafran seriously when Briggy is ridiculed with officials undermining their own leader, all crawled for the same seat? It is very, very shocking. Very, very, very shocking. Nkere have officially crowned his the way. You see this guy that is in the now. Let me not go there. Let me not go there. My spirit said no. Let me not go there. But if you know, you know. If you know, I hope you can read my mind. If you know, you know. Please let me know what you think. This is my own, quick reaction to this tragic comedy. It has nothing to even worry about here. It's just a disgrace, and the whole plan and all this gossip have come to an end. So no more of talking about anything with Nkere. It is unofficial that Nkere have moved on with his own group. You see the reason why PM distanced himself from these people, because that is what I can tell you. There's no way PM will be pleased with this criminal. There's no way. Let me know what you think, and please like the video and subscribe to the channel in case if you're new. See you again. Today, let me make you call your attention, please. Ikemba people are coming here on this platform. The governors, they are going to come here and they need your attention. There's a message they have for their friends. All right. And I want you to join us during that time. Okay. Take care of yourself and bye-bye for now.